Prepare to be inspired as you walk up to this magnificent Hudson floor plan. At over 4,500 square foot, this extraordinary home will amaze you with its magnificent curb appeal, custom brick and stone masonry, as well as the elegant double-door entrance. The Hudson floor plan offers an array of custom features, including beautiful hardwood floors and high ceilings throughout. You'll fall in love with the wide-open floor plan and the Texas-sized stone fireplace. The family room flows right into the gourmet kitchen, complete with large island, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and custom cabinetry. You'll look forward to spending bright mornings with the family in the breakfast nook. Just around the corner is a theater room ready to host movie nights and the big game on a moment's notice. And the Hudson floor plan also includes an exquisite dining room and study. On the first floor, you'll enjoy the retreat of the spacious master suite with its high vaulted ceilings and private access to the back-covered patio. The large master bath has luxurious spa-quality features, including a relaxing garden tub, a large separate shower, and dual vanities with granite countertops. As you make your way to the top of the curved staircase, you'll find a game room ready for fun, as well as 3 additional bedrooms for a total of 4, a playroom for the kids, and 2 additional bathrooms. From the media room to the large covered patio, you'll love everything this new Gallery Custom Home has to offer. We can build this Gallery Custom Home in communities all across Dallas-Fort Worth. Contact a Gallery Custom Home sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out about building the Hudson floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.